This P.Kirupa from the State College of Engineering in the Department of Design and Engineering. In this video series, we are discussing about server handling using cookies. So in this previous session, we have discussed about what is cookie, and then we go with some examples and we discuss about methods, classes, and its type. Now we are going to create a cookie. Now we are going to so how can you use cookies in server? There are like steps like first we have to create cookies, reading cookies, updating cookies, generating cookies. So first we go for what is creating cookies. So first we go for creating a cookie. So first to create a cookie in a servlet, you need to use a class from the Java Exert servlet.html. So you can initialize a cookie object with a name and a value, and optionally set some attributes such as domain, path, max age, and security flag. For example, some codes like we can use like we can create a cookie like cookie name equals a new cookie of user or some names, right? So the response object is an instance of HTTP servlet response that is passed as a parameter to the servlet service method. You can add multiple cookies to response objects before sending it to the client. Um, so next one it could be like reading cookie. So we have to read the particular cookie. So to read a cookie in a server, you need to use the get cookies method of the HTTP server request object, which is also passed as a parameter to the service method. To get cookies method returns an array of a cookie object. So that represent that respond to the key sent by the client in the request setter. You can look through the array and use the get name and get value method to access the cookie name and value. So we can also get some example like cookie of cookie is equal to request dot get cookie and then if cookie is not equal to null, so for cookie whether we can check the particular cookie. So if key dot get name equals particular name of the value or name of the cookie. So system can print user cookie value by we can use an operators like to print the value like a cookie dot get value of so it will print and the client does not send any cookies, the get cookies method returns null. So you should check for null before looking through the array. So you can also read cookies using dollar underscore cookie, so super global array. So and then if is it asset, so you can also give for some methods. So to read a cookie in a servlet, use request.get cookie to get an array of cookies from the request, then iterate over the array to find the destination. So for example, to read a cookie named user, so you can just give a value dot like if cookie dot get name dot equals of user. So what is the particular name? This code checks if the user cookie exists and retrieve its value. Remember to handle cases where the cookie may not be present or may have an unexpected value because it will also occur. Right? So next one could be updating cookies and deleting cookies. So final part it could be using cookies for session management. So session management is nothing but one of the common uses of cookies in web application is to manage user sessions which are temporary interaction between the client and the server, a session can store user-specific information such as login status, the shopping cart items, or the preferences. To use cookies for session management in Charlotte, you need to use the HTTP response or HTTP session interface from the Java X servlet HTTP package. You can get an HTTP session object from the request object by using the get session method, which creates a new session. If one does not exit or return the existing one, such as this, so the get session method also creates a cookie name something. It's a unique identifier for the session and add it to the response object. You can use the set attribute, get attribute, and remove attribute methods of the HTTP section object to store, retrieve, and delete session data. So in this next session, we will go with updating and deleting. So that's all for this particular session. So thank you.